Stop! You're missing out on 6 Seiko watches that are absolute gems, and ignoring them is a big mistake. Hey everyone, welcome back to Legit Consumer. These aren't just any watches, these are some of the most underrated Seiko pieces that combine incredible design, reliability, and unbeatable value. In this video, we're counting down the 6 Seiko watches you absolutely shouldn't ignore. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a stylish, everyday watch, these picks are true gems for 2026, and most people don't even know about them. So stick around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the best watch reviews and hidden gems here on Legit Consumer. Number 6 Seiko SSB479P1. The Seiko SSB479P1 is one of those chronographs that instantly feels sporty, clean, and easy to live with. The design leans into a modern racing style, with a bold dial layout that still manages to stay very readable. The subdials are well spaced, the hands are sharp, and the overall contrast makes checking the time or using the chronograph feel effortless. The stainless steel case sits comfortably on the wrist, offering a solid presence without feeling too heavy or oversized, which makes it a great everyday option. Inside, the SSB479P1 runs on a reliable quartz chronograph movement, which means you get excellent accuracy without needing to think about maintenance. The pushers feel crisp and responsive, making the stopwatch function genuinely satisfying to use. The watch also features a durable hardlex crystal, helping protect the dial from scratches during daily wear. With 100 meters of water resistance, it's more than capable for regular use, including light water activities, without any concern. What really makes the Seiko SSB479P1 appealing is how balanced it feels overall. It delivers sporty looks, dependable performance, and everyday comfort without trying to be overly complicated. It's the kind of watch you can wear daily without worrying, yet it still looks sharp enough to stand out. The Seiko SSB479P1 typically sells for around $220. Number 5 Seiko SRPG03J1. The Seiko SRPG03J1 is a watch that feels honest and dependable the moment you strap it on. It carries a classic field watch design, focused on clarity and everyday practicality rather than flashy details. The dial is clean and highly legible, with bold Arabic numerals and well-sized hands that make telling the time effortless at a glance. The subtle texture and warm tone of the dial give it a bit of character without overcomplicating things. The stainless steel case sits comfortably on the wrist, and the size feels just right for daily wear, whether you're at work or out for the weekend. Inside, the SRPG03J1 runs on Seiko's trusted automatic movement, offering both hacking and hand-winding features. It's a movement known for reliability, making it a great choice if you want something mechanical that just works without constant attention. The hardlex crystal adds durability, helping protect the watch from everyday scratches, while the overall build feels solid and well put together. It's not trying to be a luxury piece, it's built to be used and enjoyed. What makes the Seiko SRPG03J1 stand out is its simplicity and versatility. It's the kind of watch you can wear anywhere without thinking twice. It feels practical, reliable, and genuinely enjoyable to own. The Seiko SRPG03J1 typically sells for around $300. Number 4 Seiko SRPG35K1. The Seiko SRPG35K1 is one of those watches that feels simple in the best possible way. It follows a classic field watch design, focused on clarity, durability, and everyday usability. The dial is clean and highly legible, with bold Arabic numerals and clear minute markings that make reading the time effortless. The matte finish keeps reflections low, while the lume on the hands and markers glows strongly in darker conditions. The 39mm stainless steel case sits comfortably on the wrist, making it an ideal size for all-day wear without ever feeling too bulky or too small. Inside, the SRPG35K1 runs on Seiko's reliable automatic movement, offering both hacking seconds and hand-winding. It's a movement built for consistency rather than perfection, and that's exactly what makes it appealing for daily use. You also get a hardlex crystal for durability and around 100 meters of water resistance, which means the watch can handle everyday situations with ease. Whether it's work, travel, or casual outings, it fits right in without any fuss. What really makes the Seiko SRPG35K1 stand out is its versatility. It's the kind of watch you can wear with almost anything, and it never feels out of place. It's practical, dependable, and quietly stylish. The Seiko SRPG35K1 typically sells for around $275. Number 3, Seiko SNE573P1. The Seiko SNE573P1 is a dive watch that feels compact, practical, and built for real everyday use. The moment you put it on, you notice how well balanced it is. The 38.5mm case size makes it stand out in a world of oversized diverse, offering a comfortable fit that works for almost any wrist. The design is clean and purposeful, with a matte black dial, bold luminous markers, and a clear handset that makes reading the time effortless. The unidirectional bezel has a solid, precise feel, adding to that true dive watch experience without feeling overly bulky. Inside, the SNE573P1 runs on Seiko's solar-powered quartz movement, which is one of its biggest strengths. It charges through light and can run for months once fully powered, so you never have to worry about changing batteries. It's extremely accurate and low maintenance, making it perfect for someone who just wants a watch that works every time they pick it up. The sapphire crystal adds strong scratch resistance, and with 200 meters of water resistance, it's fully capable of handling swimming, snorkeling, and daily wear without any concern. What makes the Seiko SNE573P1 special is how effortlessly it combines reliability, comfort, and classic dive watch style. It's not flashy, but it does everything right. For anyone looking for a compact and dependable diver, the Seiko SNE573P1 typically sells for around $400. Number 2, Seiko SPB169J1. The Seiko SPB169J1 sharp-edged series is one of those watches that instantly feels refined the moment it touches your wrist. It blends traditional Japanese aesthetics with a modern, sharp design that stands out in a subtle but confident way. The dial is the real highlight here, featuring a textured Asanoha pattern that reflects light beautifully and adds depth without feeling busy. The deep green tone gives it a rich, elegant character, while the polished hands and indices keep everything crisp and easy to read. The 39.3mm stainless steel case feels perfectly balanced, offering a comfortable fit that works for both daily wear and more formal occasions. Inside, the watch is powered by Seiko's in-house automatic movement, known for its reliability and solid performance. It offers a smooth sweeping seconds hand along with hacking and hand-winding features, making it practical for everyday use. The sapphire crystal protects the dial from scratches, and the overall finishing of the case and bracelet feels premium for its category. It's the kind of watch that quietly shows attention to detail rather than trying to be flashy. What really makes the SPB169J1 special is how it combines elegance, craftsmanship, and everyday usability. It feels like a watch you can wear confidently in almost any setting without overthinking it. It's stylish, dependable, and full of character. The Seiko SPB169J1 typically sells for around $1,000. Number 1, Seiko SSK00003K1. The Seiko SSK00003K1 is one of those watches that instantly feels fun and functional at the same time. It brings that classic GMT style with a bold blue dial and matching bezel that really stands out without being too loud. The overall design has a sporty, travel-ready vibe, and the 42.5mm case gives it a strong presence while still sitting comfortably on the wrist. The dial is clean and easy to read, with bright lume on the hands and markers, and the added GMT hand lets you track a second time zone, which is perfect if you travel or just like the feature. Inside, the SSK003K1 runs on Seiko's reliable automatic movement, known for being durable and easy to live with. It offers a smooth sweeping seconds hand along with hacking and hand-winding, making it feel more engaging than a basic quartz watch. The Hardlex crystal helps protect the dial, and the overall build feels solid enough for daily wear. While it's not a professional GMT, it still delivers a practical and enjoyable experience for most users. What makes the Seiko SSK003K1 stand out is its balance between style and everyday usability. It's sporty, versatile, and has just enough extra functionality to make it interesting without being complicated. It's the kind of watch you can wear daily and still appreciate every time you check the time. The Seiko SSK003K1 typically sells for around $425. And there you have it, the 6 Seiko watches you really shouldn't be ignoring. These models combine timeless style, solid craftsmanship, and great value, the kind of watches every collector dreams about. Which one was your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments, I'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Legit Consumer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest watch reviews, top lists, and hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't make the mistake of overlooking these Seikos.